Good morning, students. This is the lesson of Class 7 for the subject of Geography, topic Africa, Physical Features, which is covered in Chapter 10, Africa, Location, Political Divisions, and Physical Features, starting on page number 110 of your textbook, and is being submitted to you on 21st of December 2020. Now let us start with our topic, physical features of Africa. The major part of Africa are plateaus composed of ancient rocks. These are lower in the north and higher in the south. Africa does not have high mountain ranges and vast plains. The physical divisions of Africa are: number 1, mountains. Atlas Mountains are young fold mountains situated in the northwestern part of Africa. These includes three parallel ranges: the Tell Atlas in the north, the Atlas in the middle, and Sahara Atlas in the south. Mount Tokel is the highest peak in the Atlas mountain. Mount Kilimanjaro lies in Africa, which is an extinct volcano. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa. It is 5,895 meter high. It is near the equator yet remains snow covered throughout the year because of its height. Mount Kenya and Mount Elgin are other important peaks in this region. The second physical feature is plateaus. The plateaux are made of volcanic rocks. Most of the plateaus rise steeply from the coastal plains. The low central plateau runs from Atlantic coast in the west to the Nile Valley in the east. A Hugger Plateau and Tibesti Mountain are part of it. Sahara Desert is also the part of this plateau. The high plateaus of the south is divided into the Ethiopian highlands or Abyssinian Plateau, the Central Lake Plateau, and the South African Plateau. This plateau ends with the Drakensberg Mountains, which forms the high eastern edge of the plateau. The third feature is deserts. About one-third of the total area of Africa is covered with deserts. These deserts are extremely hot and dry. There are three main deserts in Africa. Number 1, Sahara Desert. Number 2, Kalahari Desert, and number 3, Namib Desert. Sahara Desert is the world's largest desert. It extends into 12 different countries. It stretches from Atlantic Ocean to the Red Sea. It has no vegetation, but there are some patches where green plants grow and water is available. Such an area is called an oasis. The second desert is Kalahari Desert. Kalahari Desert lies in the southern part of Africa. Many parts of the Kalahari Desert receive scanty rainfall and have a little vegetation. Number 3, Namib Desert. It is considered to be the world's oldest desert. It runs along the western coast in southwest Africa. The desert is famous for diamonds and tungsten. The fourth and a very distinct feature of Africa is the Great Rift Valley. The Great Rift Valley is located in the east. It is a special feature of southern plateau. The Great Rift Valley is basically a narrow valley. It is formed when cracks develop due to volcanic activities and movements within the Earth's crust. It ranges from Lake Malawi in the south to the Red Sea in the north, and then through the Gulf of Suez and Gulf of Aqaba to Dead Sea in Asia. Lake Victoria lies in the Rift Valley. It is the largest freshwater lake in Africa. Lake Malawi, Lake Tanganyika, and Lake Adolphe are some of the freshwater lakes found here. Now let us discuss about the various rivers of Africa. Africa is a place of many great rivers. Most of the rivers originate from the plateaus of Central Africa and Eastern Highlands. This part of Africa receives high rainfall. The first river is River Nile. River Nile is the longest river. It is also the most important river. From the It is nearly 6,853 kilometers long. River Nile rises from the south of equator and flows northward through northeastern Africa to drain into Mediterranean Sea. Nile is formed by two streams, the Blue Nile and the White Nile. Blue Nile, which flows from the highlands of Ethiopia, and White Nile, the headstream of which flows from Lake Victoria in rainy equatorial regions. The river joins to form the Nile at Khartoum in Sudan. This river connects many countries in Africa. The biggest use of Nile water is in Egypt. The second river system is the Congo River. The Congo Basin is the second longest river in Africa. It runs through the central west part of Africa. It carries a huge volume of water. There are seasonal falls along the course of this river. Livingston Falls and Boyoma Falls are most famous waterfalls. It finally empties into Atlantic Ocean. It is also called the highway of Central Asia. The next river is River Zambezi. River Zambezi flows in southern Africa. It falls into the Indian Ocean. Victoria Falls, one of the world's largest waterfall, lies on this river. Kariba Dam is built across Zambezi River to generate hydroelectricity. The next river is Orange River. It also flows in South Africa. It runs westward and falls into South Atlantic Ocean. So students, this is all about the physical features of Africa. Now, let us recapitulate the topic by means of a quick retest. I will read out the questions, after which you may pause the lesson for 5 minutes. Question number 1. What is an oasis? Question number 2. Name the largest lake of Africa. Question number 3. Which is the longest river in the world present in Africa? Question number 4. Where does Blue Nile and White Nile joins? Question number 5. On which river is the Victoria Falls formed? So now let us discuss the answers of the above questions. Answer number 1. Oasis is an area in the desert which has water and trees. Answer number 2. Lake Victoria. Answer number 3. River Nile. Answer number 4. Blue Nile and White Nile joins at Khartoum in Sudan. Answer number 5. Zambezi River is the river on which the Victoria Falls form. I hope you all have understood the topic of physical features of Africa. So, you all are required to read chapter 10 at least twice and practice the map work discussed today. With this, I conclude this interactive session. Thank you.